Hey, we're talking more Cru Beaujolais. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I think whenever I say we are here to help you know more, whenever I start saying that, I touch my glasses. I'm going to try to stop doing that. We're going back to Beaujolais. We're doing another Grand Cru Beaujolais. This one is from the commune of Brouilly. While I open this, let's talk a little bit about Brouilly. So it is the southernmost cru, or Grand Cru, in Beaujolais. And there you'll see Brouilly on a label in two instances. One where it's just Brouilly, others where it's Côte de Brouilly. So the Côte just means it's on the hillside, whereas the Brouilly are grown on the flatter part of the region. So what you, oh boy, that was a little tougher than I thought. So the Brouilly wines are, we're talking 100% Gamay, right? The Brouilly wines are usually on the lighter side as far as Grand Cru Beaujolais are concerned, and are really perfect for like everyday drinking, perfect for, your Tuesday night, perfect for a roast chicken. In this case, we are looking at the Domaine des Maisons Neuves, Brouilly, Vignes. That means old vines, 2021. And let us see what this wine gives us. So a special shout out to my friend Steve Irons, who found that Brouilly is quite widely available when you're in Paris in a bistro. And it was a wine that got a rave review from a beer drinker, so that's always a good thing. I look at the Brouilly though as a good entry level Grand Cru Beaujolais, right? If you really, you've had some Beaujolais Nouveau, you've had some Beaujolais Village, and you want to step up a little bit, but you don't want to go somewhere where it's too big and like really firm and full-bodied, like a Morgon or a Fleury, Brouilly is the way to go. So this has all the hallmarks of a good Grand Cru Beaujolais. Those cherries are there. They're all over. Tons of cherries. I'm going to call out a raspberry too. I'm not getting any of that perfumey note. Not getting any flowers. This one, you saw me. I literally just opened it 2 minutes ago. They're just pretty. They're just pretty. It's interesting, it comes across a little bigger than I would have thought. It's got a fair amount of tannin. I got a little bit of almost like a smoky ash in there as I was taking the sip. I almost put it down to say I was kind of getting that sensation, or really that essence. The cherries are there. There's a little bit of smokiness, which has a nice note. A little firmer than I thought, but not like oppressive. Perfectly fine level of tannin. I think, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a day 2 tasting of this and see how it evolves 24 hours later. Oh, hi. I didn't realize you were down there, my Cooper friend. Hey. Back, day 2 of this Brouilly. Remember yesterday, I think we said it was very much red cherries with a little sort of mountain ash in it. So it seemed a little, I don't want to say tight, but it seemed like it would benefit from some air over the next 24 hours. We're about 24 hours later, a little less, closer to 22. But let's see if it's evolved or changed at all. Right off the bat, it feels like it got a little darker and a little smoother. Like it smells, I don't know if you ever have this sensation when you're smelling a wine. It smells like yesterday there were some rough edges. Today it doesn't smell like there are any rough edges, but we will see. Yeah, black cherries and a little potpourri. That ashy note still shows up. Tannins are still there. The fruit did get a little darker. It's more or less the same. It hasn't evolved too much day to day. The nose has, palate hasn't. So interesting. Still, still a worthwhile pickup. Under $20. An easy drinker. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. I hope you're getting out there drinking a lot of wine, starting off 2023 with a lot of wine in your repertoire. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers.